Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti the Future Maker. In this channel we provide information related jobs. Now we're gonna discuss in details regarding the openings in Capgemini, that is for 2019 and 20 batch. If you are engineering or MCA candidates, you can apply for this job. That too, this is only for women's. This is for off-campus recruitment drive. We'll go discuss in detail regarding this. The eligibility criteria for applying for this Capgemini job is the candidate should be of 2019 and 20 graduates. This drive is only for women's. The women's candidates only eligible for applying for this job. You should contain a 60% or above in 10th, 12th, diploma and graduations which you are completed. Only 1 year gap in education is allowed to apply for this job. No gap is allowed after diploma completed. Qualification like MCA, BE or BTech, but it must contain the specializations like information technology, information science, computers, electronics and communications, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation. Its ME, MTech students must be from mentioned specializations only, like information technology, information science, computer science, or computers. You must possess excellent English written and spoken communication skills. You need to relocate to any Capgemini location in over the India, and you should be work in any shifts if they required. And they'll be selecting the candidates based on their assessment and selection process. And it will be in virtual mode only. You can go through your laptops or phone. And this is the selection process. We have 5 rounds, that is first of technical assessment round, where they'll be providing one scenario and you need to code for that scenario. Once you are clear, then you will be going for the second step, that is multiple choice question based English communication test. That is, they'll be providing a test for your English communication. Once you are completed, then you will be going for the game based aptitude test. Means based on game based, they'll provide us some aptitude questions. For that you need to clear. It will be very easy. You can check in the net. And when you go for fourth one, behavior competency profile, means they'll be knowing your behavior from this test. So it won't be much typical, but be yourself. Once you clear all the things, then you will go for technical and HR round. If you go for this round, mostly you'll be got selected. So all the best. And if you want to apply for this job, you need to register here. When we click that link, you will get this page. Once this page is come, then you have to fill your college name and you need to proceed for applying for this job. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.